Even quieter tonight. No.
Sadly.
ਇਹਨੂੰ ਕਹਿ ਕਿਧਰੇ ਹੋਰ ਰਹਿ ਜਾ ਕੇ
ਕੱਲ 12 ਨੂੰ
We rely very much on trade from pubs.
All right.
People are, well, a little raucous at times. All very jolly for the most part. Unfortunately, the news that Inspector Frost is renting a room has put off these customers.
End of the week.
It's very understanding of you, Mr. Frost.
ਹਾਂ ਅੱਲਾ ਦੀ ਖੈਰ ਇਹ ਗੱਲ ਹੋਈ
Yeah. Bloody hell.